Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to recover missing Snapchat memories. If you want to restore your missing Snap memories, then first of all go to the Snapchat and hit on the settings under Snapchat. Once you are in the settings of Snapchat, scroll down until you see I need a help. If you found that, then go through it. Then on the search bar, search for troubleshooting memories. Then scroll down until you see my Snapchat memories are missing. Hit on that. Then there are some instructions that you should do. First of all, you need to clear your cache. For that, go back to the settings and then search for clear cache. If you have option right here, then please do it. Some of the device might not have due to their location. Then shut down your device for 2-3 minutes. It will start working. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.